is up, riders? This is Kevin with Two Wheels Down. Long time no talk. Hope everybody's doing great. Today we have the 2015 Yamaha R1M special bike. Super excited about this one, and as soon as we got it, we knew that we had to wait to post it so that we can make a video on it, so that we can kind of share this journey along the way. So I hope that y'all enjoyed the little cinematic introduction for this bike reveal. Kind of tried something a little different. Made a little showcase. The bike asked for it, and so we gave it a showcase. I do want to thank Iker. Iker is our new sales manager at Two Wheels Down.
Hi YouTube.
Iker joined in March, actually March 1st, and has helped us keep the market steady at Two Wheels Down over the last couple of months, and so we appreciate him and his help with this video. But also Iker's got a buddy, his name is Slayton. Slayton helped us with the drone footage and the third person footage, so thank you, Slayton, for your help. And this is the part that kind of all know has to be part of this video. Obviously, with it being the M model, we've got the upgraded electronic Olin suspension in the rear and the front. Very tasteful, like everything that you could pretty much want for this bike. It's either comes with the bike or it's on the bike. The carbon fiber armored frame protection, GB Racing engine covers. I think that's Woodcraft frame slider. The tech spec tank pads. The zero gravity windscreen. Can't forget about the M4 full titanium exhaust. GB Racing covers on this side. Of course, the other frame slider, Woodcraft parts, Brembo Racing master cylinder in the front and lever. The R1M is stock, but it comes with the carbon fiber front fender. If you're in the market for a leader bike, whether just something premium, comfortable, and quick, obviously, I could not think of a better option.